Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start a thread now. First, make sure you have Create Threads permission in that channel so you won't hit a permissions wall. Once done, click the thread icon on a message or the New Thread Plus button, give it a concise name, and choose an auto archive time. This prevents noise in the main channel and keeps focused conversations separate. Do this to keep topics organized and reduce clutter. You'll notice responses stay threaded and easier to follow. Now focus on running the thread effectively. Invite only relevant members for private threads to keep discussions on topic, or leave it public for community input. Use it mentions sparingly to notify key people and pin important messages for quick reference. Moderators can rename threads for clarity or archive them when the discussion finishes. If a thread grows into an ongoing project, convert its conclusions into channel tasks or a new channel. These steps keep conversations actionable and searchable. To finish, archive the thread to stop new posts and signal closure. You can unarchive if discussion resumes. Make sure auto-archive settings match your workflow so threads don't close prematurely. If you can't create or manage threads, check your role permissions and server-wide thread settings. Those are common blockers. Finally, if messages disappear or threads vanish, review audit logs and retention policies to recover context. These steps wrap up the lifecycle and help you troubleshoot common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.